Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 668 Sable Oaks Lane in Penfield.
This is an amazing townhome at the end of a cul-de-sac in the heart of Penfield.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This front covered porch welcomes your family and guests, leading to a spacious foyer.
This is one-floor living at its best, with a great room featuring a designer kitchen with gorgeous Homecrest cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the nature view dining area with a box ceiling and porch access, plus a spacious living area with a cathedral ceiling and a cozy gas fireplace complemented with built-ins and scenic nature views. The first floor also features a convenient laundry and relaxing covered porch to enjoy the summer breeze.
The first floor has 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, including this amazing owner's suite with a walk-in closet and access to the covered porch and beautiful bath. Just imagine the possibilities with this lower level, including a spacious bedroom, a living or media room with nature views, plus space for another bath and bedroom with another covered porch. What great added living space! The quality construction and design of this townhome is evident in the details. Sable Oaks is a very special townhouse community nestled in nature off Penfield Road with many nearby parks with hiking trails. Nearby this property is the Four Corners of Penfield with easy access to the East Side Y and Route 490 to Rochester. What a prime location!
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 668 Sable Oaks Lane in Penfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!